Yes, what's good, guys? Welcome back again to this channel. Today we're actually working about and the chart, as you can see right on your screen, and I'm actually going to be analyzing this particular chart, and of course using trend lines to be able to mark out my zones and take trades from zones, set my TP on zones as well. So this is actually an interesting video. Do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you're new to this channel, so you'll be notified whenever it is we drop a new video. And don't forget to watch the video to the end so that you can pick the entire flow of idea and understanding in the course of the video. Now this is actually, as you can see, um this is my 4 hour chart. As you can see, this is my 4 hour chart, so I have to mark out my previous 4 hour candle, as you can see right now, for my price action. So I was able to get the first four, my previous 4 hours, high and low, as you can see right here. So immediately I was through with that. The next thing I happened to do was to drop down to a lower time frame, and that was my 30 minutes. So I dropped down to 30 minutes to check what is actually going on right in the lower time frame. From my 4 hours, you could see that's my exact um dealing range is actually highlighted, and this is running, the entire dealing range is running about 600 pips plus, as you can see right there. So from my measurements, and then I had to scale down to a lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes time frame. So here in the 5 minutes time frame, I was able to go through my chart again, and then also introduce my trend line. I remember what makes a trend line valid within a chart is that that particular region must have been tested twice or more, as you can see right here. So I have it about twice tested, and then I'll be anticipating the next direction. So if it gives us a change of character, then it becomes a full bullish you know um trend. But if it breaks through that trend line, we wait for a retest, and then pull through to the opposite side and make it bearish, as you can see right here, well indicated right here. And then my next TP is going to be on the zone. As you can see, I marked out the zone. I have this zone where you have 1 and 2 right there. So once price gets through to that zone, I'll be expecting another shift you know in market structure, and then towards the upside. And pretty much this was just how I was able to get that. Now remember, if you look at the left hand part of your screen, you'll see this particular zone I'm trying to highlight here through this rectangle. Now as you can see right here, the price accumulated here and then dropped. It was a pull down. Now another thing I need you to understand is that this particular place where price pulled down was the third touch of another trend line I drew in earlier. As you can see, let me indicate it. Yes, so that was it. And if you look at the right hand part, it is actually forming something like that right here. I believe you can see clearly here. So whilst price get to through to this zone, it reacts. So and then price then to we got through to the high height of this particular dealing range from my 4 hour time zone, and for my 4 hour candlestick time, and that was actually what we have there. So price is actually um you know becoming bearish, as you can see right there. And now since it is becoming bearish, we're looking at it to test this particular zone right here, because this zone is an intercept zone where you have the horizontal trend line indication, of course, through the use of rectangular form shape, and also the actual trend line that crosses through that particular area. And then once price gets there, the reaction is actually going to be massive for us. That's what we're actually looking at. So we have to just be sitting patiently while we wait for price to get through those zone, because I'm actually having anticipating price to continue bullish from my analysis so far. I'm anticipating that this price would continue full bullish. So this particular zone, as you can see that I'm highlighting here, is where I'm expecting price to get through, and then I'm anticipating a full bullish, you know, pull to towards the upside from this um analysis. So as you can see right here, I told you there was a previous trend line, and then the, the third touch was what happened right here, and price happened to respect that particular zone, and then it pushed down. So this is just pretty much it. You need to understand how to play around zones and how to take trades within and around zone. Remember, you don't schedule any trade without the confirmation factor and parameters of which will include change of character or change in state of delivery, market structure shift in most of the cases, and then you should also have break of structure, and that is actually what is going to put it. Like you can see, we have this beautiful bearish downtime, and then downpour, as you can see right here, and immediately price hits that particular trend line, there was a reaction. So I believe this has been able to help you. Do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and keep the notification on, so that whenever I will drop new video, you're going to be acquainted and you'll get the notification. Don't forget, if you want to be part of our Discord group, you're free. All the necessary details and links are right shrouded in the description. If you have any question, leave it in the comment.